In the quiet pursuit of the perfect smart home, one device stands as the discreet, powerful centerpiece. Small, fabric-wrapped, and entirely unassuming, the HomePod Mini is the key to the Apple ecosystem. But its internal technology has been frozen in time for years. Until now. The silence from Cupertino has finally broken. The retail stock is disappearing, the internal code is leaking, and the patents are all but confirmed. Apple is not just giving us a HomePod Mini refresh, they are quietly launching the most aggressive smart home hub on the market. An engine built for the next decade of on-device AI and lightning-fast connectivity. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is the Apple HomePod Mini 2. And if these leaks are true, your smart home is about to get exponentially smarter, faster, and more private. The performance engine, S10 and computational audio. The core of the HomePod Mini 2 revolution is the processor. The current model still uses the aging S5 chip. The leaks indicate a monumental jump, leveraging the power of the Apple S9 or S10 chip, the same architecture found in the latest Apple Watch models. Why does this matter for a speaker? It's not about loudness, it's about computational audio and Siri responsiveness. The new chip provides massive headroom for real-time audio analysis. The HomePod Mini 2 is rumored to feature enhanced acoustic hardware, but the true improvement comes from the software. The S10 chip can run sophisticated real-time room sensing and audio correction algorithms, adjusting the sound profile hundreds of times per second based on its environment. This means richer bass, crisper vocals, and a noticeably more immersive high-fidelity sound, all squeezed out of the Mini's compact driver. More immediately noticeable is the lightning-quick Siri response. With the new chip, most common Siri commands and requests will be processed on-device, bypassing the cloud. This delivers near-instantaneous responses, enhancing privacy and finally eliminating that frustrating half-second delay when you ask Siri to turn off a light. The HomePod Mini 2 is rumored to be the first device to fully utilize this new generation of on-device, localized intelligence. The connectivity overhaul, Wi-Fi 7 and thread dominance. A smart home hub is only as good as its connections, and here, the HomePod Mini 2 is rumored to leapfrog the entire industry. The definitive leak points to the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7, a connectivity standard that delivers massive speed and stability improvements, crucial for handling high-resolution lossless audio streams and complex smart home data simultaneously. For users who rely on AirPlay for multi-room audio, this means zero dropouts and lower latency, delivering a pristine, perfectly synchronized experience across your entire home. Crucially, the leaks confirm the continued, but enhanced, support for Thread and Matter protocols. The HomePod Mini 2 is rumored to be the most reliable Thread border router Apple has ever produced, strengthening the mesh network that powers your Matter devices. If you have ever experienced a flaky smart lock or a delayed smart bulb, the HomePod Mini 2's robust, next-gen connectivity is the silent solution you've been waiting for. Spatial intelligence, UWB, and handoff mastery. The most intriguing upgrade is the second-generation ultra-wideband, UWB, chip. This UWB chip is Apple's